Hello and welcome. You will learn what is Keto Breads and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Keto Breads is a digital cookbook that gives you the delicious flavors and textures you love without the harmful ingredients of traditional treats. And I know what you're thinking, how can fake bread taste like bread and how can bread taste like bread without traditional ingredients? The creator of this program has narrowed it down to a science, choosing the healthiest and highest quality ingredients to ensure tasty breaded treats that don't jeopardize your health. And don't worry, all of the ingredients are easy to find at your local health food store or grocery store, and they won't break the budget either. The creator of this cookbook makes it easy for everyone to improve their health while still enjoying the breads they love. So, if you're ready to take a bite out of that, here's what you can expect from the Keto Breads cookbook. What is Keto Breads? If you were to take bread and trade out the unhealthy ingredients that do a number of harmful things to your physical, mental, and emotional health, what would you be left with? You're probably thinking some gross bread that is nowhere close, but don't be mistaken. Keto Breads is a digital cookbook that has perfected the talent of making delicious breads without the bad stuff. All of the recipes are paleo and ketogenic friendly, meaning that there are no fake chemicals or gluten. The recipes also remove glutamorphins and casomorphins, two common ingredients in traditional breads and cheeses, because they trigger the same addicting brain receptors as morphine and heroin. In other words, they aren't good for you, and if something isn't good for you, you won't find it in this cookbook. But how many breads can you make when you remove all the harmful ingredients? You would be surprised. Keto Breads has perfected the science of healthy eating and has created easy-to-follow recipes that allow you to enjoy the taste and texture of the foods you love, without the junk. The cookbook covers a wide range of bread types, including loaf breads, flat breads, breakfast breads, rolls and buns, crackers, croutons and crusts, healthy substitutions. Now, you don't have to be on the paleo or ketogenic diet to harness the delicious benefits of these recipes either. As long as you're looking for healthier alternatives to your favorite treats, you'll love this cookbook. Each recipe has easy-to-follow instructions, a list of easy-to-find ingredients, nutritional information, and an appetizing photo to show you what you'll be baking up. You receive immediate access to the cookbook as soon as you purchase as well. So, there's no need to pay or wait for shipping, nor do you have to find room in your kitchen for yet another cookbook. You just go in and download Keto Breads onto your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This will come to you as a huge benefit as it makes it easy to have what you need to bake up these treats, whether it's to the grocery store or to the kitchen, pantry, backyard for fresh ingredients, you name it, you can take this cookbook with you without any effort. And if you aren't sure that healthier breads will be delicious, you have 2 months to try them out with the 60-day money-back guarantee. Chances are, you'll be surprised. Who is the creator of Keto Breads? Kelly Herring is the creator of this delicious keto-friendly, paleo-friendly cookbook. She has her MS and MBA, and has spent 10 years of her career perfecting the taste of the world's healthiest bread. Yes, she owns that title. Kelly is also the founder of Healing Gourmet, as well as the founder and author of Nutritionist Biochemist. So, she's definitely someone you want to take cooking lessons from. Overview of the Keto Breads cookbook. Keto Breads is the one cookbook everyone needs to have in their collection, whether or not they're on the paleo or ketogenic diet. It's a comprehensive guide to not only healthier breads, but to eliminating unhealthy ingredients from your diet as a whole. Of course, the healthy breads you learn how to bake are definitely the cherry on top of the cake, pardon the pun, but the cookbook as a whole is much more than just that. I will explain this in just a moment. Topics: how to get the best rise from your bread, how to achieve the perfect proofing environment, How do you know when your breads are done? Cooling your bread. Storing and freezing your bread. Egg wash versus water spray versus oil drizzle. Allergies, intolerances, and healthy substitutions. Most gluten-free bread is worse for your health than the real thing. You really can have your bread. And be well too. Healthy versions of classic comfort foods. Reinvent the rules of baking. Stocking your pantry and kitchen. Measurements and conversions. Here's a sneak peek at some of the recipes you'll find in each section. Loaf bread, sesame onion sandwich bread, classic sandwich loaf, hearty sandwich bread, summer zucchini breads, better banana bread, corn bread, French bread, protein bread, cashew sourdough bread, almond butter bread, rye bread. Flat breads, pita pockets, no gordita, tortillas, zucchini panini bread, rosemary focaccia. Breakfast breads, English muffins, better bagels, superfat New York bagels, southern style biscuits, drop biscuits. Rolls and buns, better burger buns and sub rolls, burger buns, herb dinner rolls, cheddar slider buns. Crackers, croutons and crusts, croutons and breadcrumbs, herb cheddar crackers, sesame Dijon crackers, Noritos, nacho chips, pizza crust. Healthy substitutions, homemade grain-free baking powder, dairy-free sour cream cheese. The program also covers a wide range of topics that pertain to the recipes and your health in general. Some of the things covered include: most gluten-free bread is worse for your health than the real thing. You really can have your bread. And be well too. Healthy versions of classic comfort foods. Reinvent the rules of baking. Stocking your pantry and kitchen. Measurements and conversions. How to get the best rise from your bread. How to achieve the perfect proofing environment. How do you know when your breads are done? Cooling your bread. Storing and freezing your bread. Egg wash versus water spray versus oil drizzle. Allergies, intolerances, and healthy substitutions. Advantages of the program. The best advantage of using Keto Breads is learning how to make healthy bread alternatives that are actually good for you and that taste good too. You get to enjoy the breads you love while simultaneously improving your health and weight loss. Before this program, that was an oxymoron because bread and healthy just didn't go together. I also liked how many recipes there were. From crusts to crackers, to biscuits and bagels, it's all there for you, and right on your tech device, which is super convenient. It sure beats lugging a cookbook around to the grocery store and then back to the kitchen. The money-back guarantee is also a great advantage. After all, we can all relate to trying healthy bread alternatives, only to find that they don't taste like bread at all. So, this gives you time to actually taste what you're buying before making a decision, and that's awesome. Disadvantages of the program. At the end of the day, Keto Breads is a healthy, keto-friendly, paleo cookbook. So, you aren't going to find all of the bad ingredients and food items that taste so good. On the bright side, this program teaches you how to satisfy those cravings with items that aren't bad for you. Frequently asked questions. Does the recipes require any special or hard-to-get ingredients? All of the recipes are gluten-free, paleo-friendly, and keto-friendly. So, the focus is on using real ingredients, which can be found at your local grocery store or health food store. Some items, such as the substitute for gluten, psyllium husk powder, may be harder to find, but that's what Amazon is for. Online shopping is a great way to find the less common ingredients if you don't want to go to. Is it safe for diabetics? If you have an underlying condition or health concern, such as diabetes, it is always recommended to consult your doctor before making any diet or lifestyle change. The recipes are low-carb and made with real ingredients, which studies have shown to be beneficial for managing type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Is this just a recipe book? To say Keto Breads is just a cookbook is a major understatement. It's much more like a guide to perfecting the process of baked goods using low-carb, gluten-free, natural ingredients. It teaches you extra health tips, good substitutes, and important health knowledge well throughout. What if I'm allergic to a certain ingredient in the recipe? If you have allergies, you'll want to navigate to the areas of the program that teach you the different substitutes you can use. Are there any other cookbooks Kelly Herring has created? Kelly has also created the Keto Desserts cookbook, which is as good as this. You can click here to learn more about it. Conclusion. Just when you think you have to cut out your favorite breads to live a healthier lifestyle, you discover Keto Breads. This digital cookbook is the perfect solution that allows you to enjoy the taste and texture of the breaded treats you love, without any of the harmful stuff. It's keto-friendly and paleo-friendly, and perfect for just anyone who wants to eliminate the junk from their diet. And even if you aren't sure that healthy breads will taste good, you'll be surprised. You have 2 months to test them out with the 60-day money-back guarantee that comes with this cookbook. So, you have nothing to lose other than all the harmful junk that can be found in traditional bread recipes. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Keto Breads today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.